Is your warehouse cramped, making forklift operations inconvenient? Do you struggle with storing heavy pipes and materials, relying solely on cranes for transfers? Then, Out Cantilever rack is your optimal choice. With each cantilever layer extendable, facilitating crane access for material handling, its space-saving design is ideal for your needs. With a single-layer load-bearing capacity of up to 5 tons and the ability to store tens of tons of goods on the entire rack, a single person can effortlessly retrieve 5 tons of pipes. Our customers have already experienced Out Cantilever rack and are highly satisfied. If you too want to find the best storage solution for your business, please contact us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.